Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. The Turkish Army operates a range of armored vehicles and tanks, including the Altay main battle tank, BMC Kirpi mine-resistant vehicles, and PARS armored personnel carriers. These vehicles provide essential capabilities for mobility, protection, and firepower in military operations. And today, we will show you the 10 best armored vehicles and tanks in the Turkish Army. Kirpi. The Kirpi is a Turkish mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle. It was developed by the Turkish BMC company to meet a Turkish Land Forces command requirement. Mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles such as the Kirpi are typically used in the areas where mine threats are present. This Turkish vehicle was specially designed to withstand blasts from mines and improvised explosive devices. The Kirpi is based on the automotive components of the BMC 235 16P military truck. Its armored hull provides protection against 7.62 by 51 mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery shell splinters. This armored vehicle has a V-shaped hull, which deflects mine blasts away. Crew and passengers are seated on integrated mine-resistant seats that absorb violent force and pressure generated by mine blasts. The Kirpi withstands mine blasts equivalent to 17 pounds, 8 kilograms of TNT. This MRAP is operated by a crew of 3, including driver, gunner, and vehicle commander. It accommodates from 6 to 10 passengers, depending on configuration. PARS. The PARS armored personnel carrier is a new design developed by Turkish FNSS company, teamed with the GPV of the United States. The PARS APC was first publicly revealed in 2005 with an 8x8 chassis configuration. However, it is available in 4x4 to 10x10 configurations. The PARS has a modular design and can be fitted with various armament fits, including external and turret-mounted armament. The vehicle can accommodate 1 or 2 men turrets. The armor of the PARS provides all-round protection against 7.62 mm armor-piercing rounds. Add-on armor can be fitted if necessary. The vehicle has a V-shaped hull for improved mine protection. It seems that the PARS mine explosions equivalent to 17 pounds, 8 kilograms of TNT under any wheel and 13 pounds, 6 kilograms under the hull. The 8x8 PARS has a crew of 2 and can carry up to 12 troops. Over 17,600 pounds, 8 tons of cargo can be carried in place of the troops. Arma 8x8. The Arma armored personnel carrier was developed as a private venture by Otokar to meet a Turkish Army requirement for an amphibious wheeled armored vehicle. This APC has a welded steel hull. It seems that baseline armor provides all-round protection against 7.62 mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery shell splinters. Add-on armor kits can be fitted for a higher level of protection. It is likely that the Arma 8x8 withstands explosions equivalent to 17 pounds, 8 kilograms of TNT. NBC protection systems and automatic fire suppression systems are proposed as an option. This armored personnel carrier can be fitted with various armament. Prototypes have been fitted with a shielded 12.7 mm machine gun, remotely controlled weapons station armed with a 12.7 mm machine gun. Also, Otokar proposes a version with its Mizrak 30 remotely controlled turret, armed with a 30 mm cannon. So, the actual weapons of the Arma 8x8 can be tailored to suit customer requirements. The turretless Arma 8x8 has a crew of 2 and accommodates 10 fully equipped soldiers. AV-8. The AV-8 wheeled armored personnel carrier was developed by FNSS of Turkey. It is based on the FNSS PARS 8x8 APC. The new AV-8 has improved protection compared with the PARS. Additional armor has been fitted. Front arc provides protection against 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds. All-round protection is against 7.62 mm armor-piercing rounds. The vehicle has a V-shaped hull for improved protection against landmines. The AV-8 withstands 17 pounds, 8 kilograms of TNT blast under any wheel and 13 pounds, 6 kilograms under the hull. The most numerous version of the AV-8 is fitted with a Denel LTC-30 two-man turret. The vehicle is armed with a fully stabilized 30mm dual-feed cannon. There is also a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. Another but less numerous version of the AV-8 is fitted with a 25mm sharpshooter cannon and coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. This armored personnel carrier has a crew of 3, including commander, gunner, and driver. It can carry about 11 men. Ejder Yeltsin. The Ejder Yeltsin, a new member of the Ejder family of vehicles, is a 4x4 tactical armored combat vehicle designed and manufactured by Nurol Makina. The Ejder Yeltsin offers high ballistic protection and can be used in diverse missions, including reconnaissance, command and control, and homeland security applications. The vehicle is primarily intended for use by Turkish military and security forces. The vehicle is equipped with optionally integrated remote-controlled and manually operated weapon stations. It is fitted with 2 gun ports on the roof. The optional armament mounted on the vehicle includes 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, a 25mm anti-aircraft gun, and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The V-shaped hull of the Ejder Yeltsin offers a high level of protection against IEDs, mines, and ballistic threats. The vehicle can be further fitted with smoke grenade launchers for increased survivability. The Yeltsin features an ergonomic and comfortable seating layout which can accommodate up to 11 personnel. Altug. The Altug is a new Turkish armored fighting vehicle. It was developed by BMC. This company specializes in production of truck and buses as well as military vehicles. The Altug was designed from the start to have a modular ceiling. So one basic design can be used to produce different vehicles with different weapons and mission systems. The Altug has a modular protection. Levels of ballistic and blast protection can be tailored depending on mission requirements. An NBC protection system is fitted. There is a fire extinguishing and explosion suppression system. Other defensive systems include a laser detection and warning system, as well as gunshot detection system. The Altug was demonstrated in 2 versions. The Altug 8x8 ZPT is an armored personnel carrier, while the Altug 8x8 ZMA is an infantry fighting vehicle. Developers report that the Altug can even support a 105mm turret. This vehicle is operated by a crew of 3 and can carry 9 dismounts. Zaha. The Zaha is a new Turkish amphibious armored personnel carrier. It is also called Marine Assault Vehicle or MAV. It was developed by FNSS to meet requirements of the Turkish Navy. This bulky amphibious vehicle was designed to be launched at sea from amphibious assault ships. The Zaha is seaworthy and can rapidly travel over short distances in the open sea. It was designed for forced entry into hostile territory. This APC has a hydraulic hull made of aluminum alloy armor. Aluminum hull has a far greater rigidity than steel. It's allowed to reduce the number of reinforcing structures and create a more usable interior. The armor of the Zaha provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. The Zaha is fitted with an unmanned turret. It is armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun and 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The Zaha is operated by a crew of 3, including commander, gunner, and driver. It can carry 21 dismounts in its spacious cargo compartment. Toolbar. The Toolbar infantry fighting vehicle was developed by Otokar as a private venture. This Turkish armored vehicle was revealed in 2013. The Toolbar has modular armor. 3 protection levels are available. Weight of this IFV may be 55,000 pounds, 77,000 pounds, and 88,000 pounds, 25, 35, and 40 tons, depending on protection level. It seems that front arc of the baseline vehicle provides protection against 25mm armor-piercing projectiles. All-round protection is against 14.5mm rounds. It seems that this vehicle survives 22 pounds, 10 kilograms of TNT blasts anywhere under the hull. The Toolbar is fitted with Mizrak 30 unmanned turret. It is armed with 30mm dual-fed cannon and coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. Also, this turret can be fitted with Lumptus long-range anti-tank guided missiles. These missiles have laser guidance. The vehicle is fitted with advanced observation and aiming devices. This IFV has a lot of common subsystems with Altay main battle tank. The Toolbar accommodates commander, gunner, driver, and 8 fully equipped troops. Kaplan. In 2014, cooperative development of a new medium tank was initiated by Turkey and Indonesia in response to a request from the Indonesian Army for a new medium tank. The new tank was jointly developed by FNSS of Turkey and PT Pindad of Indonesia. This armored machine was designed to support infantry with its firepower and destroy hostile armed vehicles. The Kaplan is fitted with a Cockerel 3105 two-man turret. The turret is produced in Belgium by CMI Defense. It is armed with a 105mm rifled high-pressure gun. This gun is compatible with all standard NATO 105mm tank ammunition and has a maximum effect range of 2.8 miles, 4 kilometers. This tank has modular armor protection. Add-on armor can be fitted for a higher level of protection depending on operational requirements. The Kaplan weighs 70,500 to 77,000 pounds, 32 to 35 tons, depending on armor configuration. All-round protection is against 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. With add-on armor fitted, protection is against 25mm armor-piercing ammunition. It withstands blasts equivalent to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms of TNT anywhere under the hull. Altay. The Altay is the official name of the new Turkish main battle tank. It is named after the famous commander of the Turkish Cavalry Corps. Deliveries of the first production Altay tanks to the Turkish Army began in 2023. This new main battle tank is of conventional design. The Altay uses some technologies of the South Korean K2 Black Panther. However, it is a different design rather than a licensed product version of the Black Panther. The Altay also has some design features of the Leopard 2, which is used by the Turkish Armed Forces. The Altay main battle tank is armed with 120mm L55 smoothbore gun. It is a version of the Rheinmetall gun. The Altay has a target acquisition system with hunter-killer engagement capability. Vehicle commanders use a panoramic sight with thermal vision to search for targets. Once the target is selected, the gun is laid on the target automatically and the gunner completes all the aiming and firing process. Around 40 rounds of ammunition are carried for the main gun. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the armored vehicles and tanks you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.